Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and I take my supplements very seriously, and zinc is not the exception, which is the reason why I take this zinc by the brand Nature's Bounty. It has 50 milligrams and it carries 250 tablets. So as you can see on the label, the serving size is of 1 tablet per day, and this zinc presentation comes as zinc gluconate. You can also read any other ingredients that may be found in the supplement, and you can also read a warning sign in case you would like to know more information prior to taking this supplement. And I believe that zinc is really important based on the research that I have done. It has really amazing benefits. And something that I consider every time I take my supplements is that sometimes I am not sure on whether I am getting the nutrients that I would like to have in my body from the food that I eat. So just to make sure that I am getting enough nutrients, I usually go for supplements such as this zinc by Nature's Bounty. And the capsule size of this supplement is very easy to swallow. So honestly, I love this zinc by Nature's Bounty. And that is my point of view.